The market is flat, sentiment is fearful, and Bitcoin is still hogging nearly 60% of all crypto capital. But inside that quiet market, a handful of coins moved double digits this week, some up, some down hard. If you're watching the wrong ones, you're missing the story. Let's talk about the 5 coins actually worth your attention right now. Here's where we stand as of May 4th. Bitcoin is sitting at $78,789, barely moved in 24 hours. Ethereum at $2,337, also quiet. The Fear and Greed Index reads 40, that's fear territory. Total crypto market cap is $2.70 trillion, up just 0.2% on the day. And Bitcoin dominance is at 58.4%, meaning alts as a whole are still under pressure. This is not a momentum market, it's a stock picker's market. So let's pick. Zcash is the standout mover of the week, up almost 17% in 7 days to $414. What makes this interesting isn't just the price action, it's the volume. $915 million traded in a single 24-hour window for a coin ranked 18th by market cap. That kind of volume tells you this isn't just retail excitement, someone with serious capital was moving in. Zcash is a privacy-focused proof-of-work chain, and in risk-off environments, privacy assets sometimes see rotation from investors hedging regulatory exposure. The level to watch is $430. If ZEC can close above that with sustained volume, you have a potential continuation setup. If volume dries up, this could be a short-term spike that fades fast. Dogecoin. Yes, we're talking about it, and here's why it's earned a spot this week. $2.14 billion in 24-hour volume. That is not a joke number. That's more volume than almost anything else in the top 50, and it comes alongside a 12.5% gain over 7 days. The rest of the market is essentially flat, and Doge is outperforming. Now, the fundamentals haven't changed, this is still a meme origin coin, but the price action and volume are real data points you can't ignore. The level that matters is 12 cents. Dogecoin has hit that area and pulled back twice recently. A confirmed close above 12 cents would be a meaningful technical break. Until then, this is a momentum watch, not a conviction hold. Bittensor, ticker TAO, is the AI narrative coin of the week. It's up nearly 13% over 7 days, trading at $283. The AI and decentralized machine learning angle keeps TAO on institutional watchlists, and $238 million in daily volume confirms it's not just being held, it's being traded actively. But here's the nuance, in the last 24 hours, TAO is down about 1%. The weekly momentum may be stalling right as it approaches the $300 level, which is a zone where sellers showed up before. If TAO pushes through $300 on volume above $300 million in a day, that's a signal worth acting on. If it gets rejected there again, the 7-day gain could unwind quickly. MemeCore is on this list as a warning, not a recommendation. This coin is down 34.76% in 7 days, and it's not done. It dropped another 13% in just the last 24 hours. That is an accelerating sell-off, not a stabilizing one. Now, $51 million in daily volume means people are still trading it, which keeps it technically liquid, but that volume looks like continued distribution, not accumulation. If you're already holding MemeCore, the honest question is whether you're holding a recovery thesis or holding hope. The $2.50 area is the nearest reference point for any potential stabilization, but I'd want to see a full day of flat or rising price on above average volume before reading anything into a bounce here. World Liberty Financial, WLFI, is probably the most complicated coin to analyze this week, and that's exactly why it's worth talking about. It's down 16% over 7 days, but up over 8% in the last 24 hours. That's a split signal. The weekly trend is bearish, the daily action is a strong bounce. $112 million in volume on that bounce is not insignificant. But WLFI carries a unique risk that most coins don't, its price is directly tied to news cycles around its political backers. That means a single announcement, regulatory, political, or otherwise, can move this thing independent of any chart pattern. The technical line in the sand is $0.060. If WLFI holds above that level into the end of the week, the bounce has legs. If it falls back below, this was a sell the rally situation, That's your 5 coins to watch for the week of May 4th: ZC, Doge, TAO, MemeCore, and WLFI. Market data for this video was pulled from CoinGecko's trending and market endpoints, Binance price feeds, and the alternative.me Fear and Greed Index, all checked on May 4, 2026. If this breakdown was useful, hit like and subscribe. We do this every week so you don't have to do the digging yourself. See you next Monday.